Greetings and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. My name is Gavin Gooden, the Marketing Director here at BlastOne. One of the problems our industry faces is the problem of noise. Blasting is a very noisy occupation, and the biggest problem with it is not actually the blaster, because they're well protected. They've got the helmet and the earplugs, but it's surrounding trades. And this is applicable in refineries all the way into manufacturing plants. Often we find in manufacturing plants and in facilities that surrounding trades have to evacuate the area when blasting is happening, and this reduces productivity and causes downtime for those other trades. A company called JB Laser had this problem, and they started using a SnakeBite Flex. They found that the noise was reduced so much that guys just outside the blast room could continue having full conversations while blasting was happening. They were so pleased and pumped that they created this video for us. And thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.